Part 1. Market position. Force Motors. Market cap, 2.5 to 2.6 billion US dollars. Ownership structure shows limited institutional presence. Only 5% institutional ownership drives high volatility. Force Motors operates with near zero debt. Debt-to-equity ratio of just 0.57%. Interest coverage ratio, 56.7 times. Exceptional safety. Force Motors holds 6.9% of the LCV segment, supported by 250 plus dealer outlets nationwide. Exports contribute 12% of total revenue. Part 2, R&D and innovation. Force Motors invested $167 million in R&D, focus, electrification, and emission compliance, introducing Force Traveler 26 Electric, EV segment projected to grow 15% annually. Force iPulse, AI-driven fleet management, features predictive diagnostics and monitoring, reduces downtime, and optimizes operations. Part 3, risk and outlook. RSI at 36 signals oversold conditions. Massey D shows mixed signals with recent momentum. PE ratio at 27x reflects growth expectations. Forward PI of 17.8x suggests moderated expectations. Strong margins. Gross 26%. Operating 10.5%. Net 10%. Strong fundamentals with execution-dependent upside. Monitor institutional ownership and order flows. Want the full breakdown? It's in the bio. The Analyst AI.